Alright, I'm going to show you how to insert a video into Google Slides. So first go to a internet browser. I'm going to use Google and type in Google Slides. Click on the first one that pops up. Go to Google Slides. Then click on blank to start a new presentation. Once you're here and you've started your slide, go to the left hand side and right click on new slide, and if this is the one you wanted to insert your video, go up to insert, click on that, and video. Then in this bar, if it's a YouTube video you want to upload, then search for it, click enter, and select the one that you wanted and push select, and there you have it in your slide. If you want to insert your video from a different source, not YouTube, go to insert, click video, and you can do it by URL. If you know the URL, you can type it there. If you have it saved on your Google Drive, you can also find it from there. And that is how to insert a video into Google Slides.